Good morning. It is 8:13 as the end of the year gets closer. Fox 17 helping you with a look at the financial steps you need to take to get 2017 started off right. Yeah. Joining us this morning, Brandon Haumschilt, financial advisor with Haumschilt Wealth Team at Raymond James. Good morning.
Hey, thanks for having me.
We're kind of in between the Merry Christmas and Happy New Year salutation.
Yeah,
but
absolutely.
Glad you're here with us. Let's talk a little bit about what folks can do as we are nearing the end of the year. Best thing to do with your money or investments.
Yeah, so the biggest thing before year end is any gifting that you wanted to do has to be done before year end in order to get that tax deduction for 2016.
Okay.
Some other things like your 401ks and 403bs that you have to make contributions to before year end in order for it to count for 2016, and some other things a little more complicated. We won't get into that today.
But basically, if you want to gift money or if you need to make contributions, do that by the end of the week.
Yeah.
You've got a few days to go.
If you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when 2017 starts, any good things to do right there at the beginning of the year to start you off right?
Yeah, so for you procrastinators out there.
Well, I like how you say you, procrastinators. Are you talking to me, Brandon?
I'm just kidding. No, so if you weren't able to make those contributions into 401ks or 403bs, there is another solution. You can contribute to an IRA or a Roth IRA up until April of 2017 and still get the contribution counted for 2016.
Okay, so you could do that right at the beginning of the year.
Exactly.
All right, good. One of the things I'm thinking about as far as donations, and taxes and things like that, is it a good time now to take inventory of receipts and things like that? Get that all in line?
I mean, getting everything ready for the tax year, obviously, as you get closer to that deadline, it's harder to get in with an accountant and also get everything ready. So the more you can do ahead of time, the better.
Yeah, I'm thinking right now we probably need to go ahead and schedule our time with the accountant for taxes.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk about the markets currently. How are things looking, and what are we looking as far as projections are going?
So from a dollar amount standpoint, this is the highest we've ever seen the Dow. Over 20,000 at one point. Now, when you look at that, so dollar amount, yes, highest we've ever seen it, but from a valuation standpoint, totally different story.
Okay, and how is that?
So when you look at, for all my Shark Tank fans out there, right? When you're evaluating a company, just like how you would evaluate the market, you want to look at how earnings are, and you want to compare that to what people are paying for those earnings. So if we look at the last 25 years of the U.S. market, normally it trades at a 16, which is the multiple, which doesn't mean anything to a lot of you out there. But when you compare that to where we're trading at today, we're looking at roughly a 16.6.
Okay.
So not that much overvalued.
Not that much difference. Okay. Brandon, thanks for coming in, giving us a little bit of perspective as we head into the new year. Kelly, send it over to you now.
Great.
Well, happening today, you are probably enjoying one of your new electronic gadgets in